Okay, me again, ugly face as usual. This is a 562 XPG and notorious, these saws. Look at that bearings, gone again. You can see this nylon bushing they put in here is G-U-N-K junk. Junk. There's pieces of bearing I pulled out everywhere. That's what happens to them. Only for this defect here, and this is what they replace it with. So right here, you see here? This is the bearing. This is the cage right here. It's nylon. Like, what is the point? It doesn't make no sense. Why would they do that? I'm pretty sure Still has done it, but whatever they did, it's working. These ones, wow, they are notorious for this. Like, look at this here. Look, see? That's why it sounded like a... There, oh, look at that. Look at that. Hold on. There, look, see that? This is your good old... This is the nylon. This is the bushing right here. Like, you'd think they would make it steel, or I don't know why they went to this. Husqvarna, your 562 XPG. Why? Why did you do this? This model here is a 2015. That don't mean nothing. I have other ones here too that went. Here, this one here. This is another 2015. I think they changed it in 2020. XPG. I have another one somewhere over here. Yeah, here. This one's still going. Right here, this is I don't know the model year on this one, but look at this. I lent this to my brother, and the clutch came off and broke the side cover. He used this one for a week and didn't blow it up, which I'm surprised. Look at this old beast. I'm going to make a video on this one. He's a beast, this one. That's a 288, I believe. 281, maybe. Where is that number? Oh, yeah, 281, sorry. 281. Now, that's a ripper. That, need a new cylinder, piston, bearing, maybe. Okay, so, yeah. Why? Husqvarna, I doubt you'll ever watch this video, but why do this? Why make these? Defect. I'm going to replace it again. That'll be the third set for this. Number 3. After that, I give up because it's just not worth fixing, really. Look at this. Take the crank out, and what do you see in there? Not the crank. Ugh, what a mess. I've been making axe handles with sawdust everywhere in here. Yeah, so. Yeah, look at all that. Junk. Plastic. All right. I still got to put it all back together after I get it apart. I still got to get the bearing out of there. The flywheel side might be good, which is surprising. So anyway, we'll see. Okay. Almost got it back together. 562 XPG. This is a 2015 model, I believe. So if I can get a tip to anybody here, if anybody has one of these, this helps big time. This helps to split the case, and this helps to pull it back together with the bearings. What I do is I put the bearings in the casings and then you pull it through. Makes it a lot easier. And another tip, when you're putting the carburetor back on, leave the head loose. Put these bolts on the carburetor, because I remember when I first did it, I had this all apart, and oh, what a chore. This is not me, this is my brother. Cutting spruce and balsam. Anyways, yeah, leave this all together, leave with screws in it. Lift the head up a little bit, put the screws in, tighten her up, set her down. Way easier. So I'm almost done. Got to put the flywheel back in and adjust a couple more things. Still got this side to do, but the hard part is done. The bearings are in. We got the muffler, we got the clutches, whatever. That's just minor stuff. The casing, the pull cord. That's nothing. The hard part is the bearings. And this kit, it even comes with this little, I made one of these last time so you don't ruin the seal. Comes with this here. You slide this over and they help put the seal in. It doesn't break the seal. So, you know, I bought it before. I bought this with the bearings. I think it was 180, I believe, but don't quote me on it. This, you can see, this is what happened. This is another one before. This is the one before. And this, you see how they go, eh? Because this is just all, it's like a nylon cage in there for the bearings, and they just don't last. Like I don't even know how long this one's gonna last. So when we get her back together, fully together and running, hopefully it doesn't blow up before I run it, we'll finish the video. Got it all back together. I had no fire, so I'm gonna put the choke. See if it starts. I don't know. It's auto tune, and I can't really tune it because I don't have a clutch or. Run, but without the clutch, you gotta auto tune these things. You gotta, well, with no clutch, big juicy, that ain't gonna happen. Yeah, normally it would stay idle, but. Wonderful. I love these saws, but it's the bearings that's an issue. They just keep burning out and keep burning out. So on that end, You saw it's not in bad shape. Like really. My brother used one for maybe 3-4 months. It blew up. The other one he used a year. But that's, you know, he runs them pretty hard. So I need a clutch. I need to get a clutch for it. And I'm supposed to get a little tandem load of hardwood. So if I get those parts before, we'll put her to the test. Alrighty. Later.